Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video, and it's something Myntra exclusive. As you can see here that it has come in the Myntra packing और ये Myntra से exclusive आता है, इससे मैंने ऑर्डर किया है. This is none other than the Soundpeats Q900. The Soundpeats Q900 wireless earphone. It is compatible with Android phones as well as the Apple iPhones, and you can see here, and the cost that is mentioned here is 3,000 rupees, 2,990 rupees, but I got this product in merely 1,300 rupees. There is a discount going on Myntra, and hence I ordered it. So as you can see here that it's mentioned here that earphone is black in color. Soundpeats Q900 Bluetooth earphone. The box contains one earphone, one user manual, and one USB cable to charge the Bluetooth earphone. And its month of manufacturing is May 2018. So it's very recently packed and being sent. It took around 3 days for this to reach us, and here it's Myntra exclusive. Now let us quickly open this box and find out what's inside it. So we have got okay. So here, let us remove this. Here we have got the Q900 Soundpeats box. The seal is here. Let us just quickly open this seal and find out what's in there. So one thing I would like to mention here that it's non-returnable. Once you purchase it, and if it's delivered onto your address, you will not be able to return this headphone. Sorry. So anything else in the box? So the box is empty right now, and nothing else is there in the box. Few of the features of this, as you can see here, few of the features of this earphone has been mentioned here, that it has a LED indicator, it has microphone, charging port, separate volume buttons. Generally we get earphones that have the same volume buttons and the fast forward or fast backward button, but it has separate volume button, and it has previous and next track on separate buttons. Then it has play and pause button. Call button is separate than play and pause button, and one on and off button to switch on and switch off this device. Now it comes with Bluetooth 4.1 chip, so it is compatible with many of the modern phones. 10 hours of music life, so it is quite good battery backup, as I can say, because Samsung level gives you around 5 to 6 hours of battery backup. So it has got a good bigger battery, and this is the USB cable. As you can see here, this is the USB cable and it's also quite a good length, and it is to charge the earphone, and you can see it here. This is quite a good length. I think that it's around half a meter or more than that. So let us this is the USB to fix it in your laptop, computers, or charging adapter, and this is micro USB. So yes, there is no type C USB in this. Let's keep this aside, and we have got smaller earbuds and bigger earbuds, and also we have got the clamp pin here. As you can, I will show you right now that there is a clamp pin to clamp your wire with the earphone if you are not using it. I will show its application just now, but first let us see what's in there. And as you can see, along with the earbuds, they have given us a clamp pin. And this clamp pin is to clamp the wire along with the headphones. So that's pretty good stuff, because generally you find it irritating when the clamp get loosened up and gets lost, and then you have wire hanging all around your neck and ears. So you can also, there is a user manual. Yes, there is a quick guide user manual that again explains the very much working of this earphone. So now let us pick up this. Oh, that's beautiful. That's very free, and you can see that the neck area, this is so free. It has got a rubber covering, and inside it there is a metallic wire, very thin metallic wire, so that it is lightweighted and it is flexible. You can see this is very lightweight. I have stretched it till its extremes. And the clamp pin that I was talking about was this clamp pin holds this neck band with your wire, and thus it won't get off. You can adjust it by just sliding it forth or backward, so it will increase the length of your wire. Now this has got a magnetic earbuds. The back is also magnetic, that will clamp in here, and thus while you are not using it, it will be on your neck like this, it will be on your neck, and the earphones will be attached to both of these fronts. Now if you remove it, it's the color is very beautiful. I think the layout is very beautiful for this earphone, and as you can see that when you will wear it, these will go into your ears, and here there is a play and pause button, here call receiving button, also there is a mic, and while exploring it, okay, so here we have got the forward and backward button to shuffle the songs. Here we have USB charging cable, and this is also covered with a lid, so it's good that the sweat or the water will not enter this port, and it will not get okay. Now here is the volume plus and minus button to increase your volume, and I was searching for one thing that I am not able to get, that is there any noise cancellation opening there here in this, because many of the earphones nowadays are giving noise cancellation hole also, opening also in the earphone. So I was just wondering whether they have also given the same or not, but I couldn't find it. Okay, now here in the inner side it has given the on and the off button, so you can simply put on and off, and once I turn it on, yes, there is a indicator the LED indicator. So I think that they might have given, because it was mentioned in the, when I read this, it was mentioned here that there is a noise cancellation port as well as the mic in this earphone. So overall it's very classy, the look is very cool, it's very lightweight. After a while you will forget that there is a neckband around my neck. One thing more, that it has got separate buttons for all the functions, so it is very much easy for us to operate it while we are jogging or driving or doing some work wearing it. And the connectivity is also very easy because the Bluetooth 4.1 gives a very enhanced connectivity with a larger bandwidth and speed, so there won't be any problem in the connectivity. Then again, the earbuds won't lie loitering around here and there. You have got this ample of space and provision to just fix it here, and it will be separated without irritating you. Now, one problem that I found it here is that the wire is coming out from the outer end, and then it is going below this clamp pin. So while stretching, you have to be very much careful because it's delicate, and if you stretch it too much, then it might come off, because the wire quality is good, but the wire is still very thin and very delicate. As you can see here, the wire is thin, it's delicate, and apart from this, everything is very cool and very classy. So you can get it on Myntra, the Myntra app, or the myntra.com website. I will be giving the link in the description below.